kung base.
Yung middle may tulong.
Wala.
Props.
Oo, props lang siya. Props lang yan. Para nilagay mo lang siya. Okay? So make sure you don't push the floor with the foot that's showing the needle. Okay? The needle position. Wag. Nandun lang talaga siya. Okay? Tsaka mahirap yun. Pag nilagyan mo ng tulong coming from this foot, di bali na lang kung makapalang kalyo mo sa kaya mo yan. Pero sakit yan. So when you do the needle, make sure it's just there to show this. Again, make sure you show this. Walang weight. Lalo na ito. Hindi ko naman siya nilagyan ng weight, actually. Okay? Let's move on. Now, after the aguwa, diba nag-aguwa muna kayo? Basic. And then, differentiated aguwa. Now watch. Avoid ladies stepping back right away. Okay? Otherwise, you pull the man. Okay? Again, going to the aguwa. Another aguwa. To recover. Now watch. I'm going to do a rosque. Again, this is your recover action from the aguwa and rosque. And rosque. Okay? And then, the cradle action or the kuna. Watch. Tap, 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 tap. Okay? Okay?
May gano'n, kasama yun.
Kasama yun sa mga matigas ang ulo. Okay, ulitin ko ha?
Gawin nyo ha?
Ulitin ko ha? Pakisampal, ulitin ko ha? Now watch. I'll start with the aguwa. Aguwa. Now watch. The endroscopy. The endroscopy. The cradle action or the kuna. Watch. Tap. 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 Again.
Hindi pala yun, hindi pala yun.
Kuna ng baby.
Una.
Cradle. Okay?
Wala ang sampal.
Wala sampal kasi okay na. Tato.
Aguha. Aguha. Rosque. And rosque. Cadencia. Kuna or cradle. Again, you will take it actually from the third position of the basic. Cadencia. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so may kita yung action nun, parang dinuduyan yung babae. That's why they call it cradle. Okay? Again. Aguha. Aguha. Androsque. Androsque. Cadencia. The cradle. Yes?
Ay, tapos na.
Wala na, tapos na. Ginaulit yun.
Sa buo naman eh.
Let's try.